Most beginners lose money because they trade against the trend. In this video, I will show you how to identify an uptrend and a downtrend using market structure without complicated words indicator. And firstly, the first question we have to ask ourselves is, what is trend? Trend is simply what the overall direction in the market. And the overall directions in the market include maybe three market conditions, which are what? Either you're buying at the uptrend, which is the high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, and a high, which is the uptrend, or you are looking for, you are on a this thing, a downtrend, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. Also, or if the price action is ranging, you get me? If the price action is ranging, maybe consolidating in a range, it's hard to see a consolidation range on a higher time frame. However, I'm just going to speak about the uptrend and the downtrend. Now, this uptrend and the downtrend helps the beginners in forex trading to identify when to buy and when to sell in the market. Without knowing your direction, you can't know when to buy or sell. You keep getting stopped out in the market. Easy thing, when just how to identify it, as simple as say, whenever you get to the chart as a beginner trader, firstly maybe you go to your 4-hour time frame. You get me? Now, on 4-hour time frame, what could you see in this price action currently on Euro USD? You looked at the price action has been moving currently. The current price action currently has been moving from a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low. So what are the key things right here? Firstly, for you to go now, you can eventually know the price action is this thing. How should I put it? The price action is moving on a bearish trend. You mark out your fib from this high to this low. So you're expecting that when the price action gets to the 50% fib of this range, you are looking for a sell. Why? Because you are on a bearish trend. You get me? You get to understand me, right? So same thing happened around this area. Price was moving from a low to a high, a low, a high, a low, a high. And when it gets the 50%, if I was maybe in the past right here, currently I do my fib, I was waiting around here, then the price action definitely giving us a confirmation internally and change structure, then move on from this low to this high. Why? Because it's a bullish, we are still on a bullish trend. It won't invalidate this low, never. Price won't come and invalidate this range when it's on a bullish trend unless it wants to change structure. You get me? You have to align the key movement in the price action to your trading strategy. Firstly, knowing the market trend, it helps to reduce losses in the market. You get me? It's easy to identify. You have to see what maybe the past price action. What is the price action be doing from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame? Is it moving on a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low? Then you'll be looking forward when the price action gets to a 50%, you continue to buy. In case you are trying to sell, maybe you're catching a reversal, you know that your first take profit or your take profit is going to be the 50% of the range because price action might reverse. Same thing on a bearish trend. If the price action is moving from a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, a high, a low, then maybe you are buying on lower time frame. You are expecting price action to buy to this level, then you might look for a reversal to sell. You get me? As simple as that. Those are just the two key things you have to understand about trend. You get me? Knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. You get me? If these videos help you understand trends, subscribe, because in the next lesson I will show you guys how to understand if you are on a range trend. You get me? Because we have the uptrend, the downtrend, and a range. You get me? Those are the type of trends in the market. You get me? This range, I will help you. I'll explain it in the next video. So kindly like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you guys on the next video. Have a lovely day.